Good morning. So today's lesson's about volume of rectangular prisms. And as you see above, the formula is volume equals length times width times height. So these are the easy ones. You're going to need to find your length, your width, and your height. And so if you look at the floor of that box being where the right angles are, then you would just use the floor as the length and the width. So that would be 8 by 8. So each of those are 8s. And then the height is a 4. So now you just multiply those three numbers together. 8 times 8 times 4. So the answer is 256. All right, the next one is even easier. You have your length and your width and your height. Your length, your width, and your height for number 2. And look at that, that's a perfect cube. So the formula for perfect cubes I'll share with you in a minute, but if all the sides are the same, it's still length times width times height, but there's another formula for cubes, which is volume equals side cubed, which is the same thing. So if you look, 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64, and 4 cubed equals 64. So when you see all the measurements are the same, you can use the same formula as above, or you can use this one here. So the next one is hard to see. That's why I included it. Sometimes they're kind of crooked. So if you look at the floor of the box, is that long rectangle there with all the right angles in it. So the length and the width are going to be the sides of that long rectangle at the floor, which is 1 by 8. And the height is going to be a 2. So the volume is going to be 1 times 8 times 2, which is 16. Let's change that to... Okay? So those are your answers for the 3 examples. The homework is just the same. You're going to look at the 3. Don't pick up the wrong amounts. Really look at the box and study it. If this part is wrong, if you pick the wrong length, width, and height, then you're going to get the wrong answer, but you've got to look at the picture. I'll see you later.